Welcome. Today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So first, just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago to here, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Okay, let's use it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock test here works correct. We can unlock the device successfully with my face recognition. I just want to suggest one more thing. I just want to try one more thing to unlock the device with my glasses, because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see does unlock method works with the glasses. So as we can see, it also works correct, and just we have no any problems to unlock the device with the glasses also. So I just suggest you to try. I just want to suggest you to try this unlock method. Don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.